Question 1 then, let's have a go at this one. Everything's arranged in the correct positions because we've got dy dx plus so many y's, 3 lots of y's, equals a function of x. So let's circle our p then. That's the thing that comes here, the number of y's. And write down, so here, the integrating factor we'll call I, equals e to the integral p dx. P is 3. So that's equal to e to the 3x, isn't it? So let's multiply through by e to the 3x then. So e to the 3x dy dx plus 3, I'll put it in the middle, e to the 3x times y equals e to the 3x times e to the 5x times you add the indices. So 5x plus 3x is just 8x, isn't it? So now I've circled the u and the v. Here's u. What I'll do in this first one, just highlight it a little bit more subtly. There's our u and there's our v. It's always the case, but that's what turns out in these problems. So we can now write that d by dx then of u times v, here's u, e to the 3x times y is the v, is equal to the e to the 8x then. So let's solve that now. We can separate the variables then. Integrating both sides gives, so the integral of the derivative is just what you started, the e to the 3x times y. And on the other side, you integrate that, you get e to the 8x dx. So then, e to the 3x times y, and the integral of e to the 8x, from the formula, you need e to the ax dx, and that's equal to e to the ax over a plus a constant of integration. So that's the formula that we need here. So I'll just write it down just for reference sake. So e to the 8x then over the 8 plus k. There we go. There's our solution. Now we can rearrange it, tidy it up if we wish. So let's do that, shall we? So multiply through by e to the minus 3x all the way through gives, see what we get then. E to the minus 3x times e to the 3x cancels each other out. I'm using the property of e to the a, e to the b times you add e to the a plus b. So because I've chosen minus 3x to add on to 3x, they get 0, and e to the 0 equals 1. So we get 1 here. So you get 1 times y is y. And then e to the minus 3x, using this property, you add the indices when you times. We'll end up with e to the 5x over 8 plus k e to the minus 3x, isn't it? Times it by e to the minus 3x. Every term needs to be times by e to the minus 3x. So here, that went to 1 lot of y. Here, it went to add the indices, you get 5. 8x take 3x is 5. And then k times e to the minus 3x, as we said. So here's the solution explicitly for y. Good.